Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to the inside of my transit van. I say my transit van, it's more like Rocky's transit van, hence why it's a bit of a state in here. But I thought I'd do a quick video today because I've just found out, this is how excited I am, this is how sad I've been during lockdown. I'm super excited that I found out that you can adjust the armrest on a transit van. I didn't realise you could adjust it. 13 years I've put up with this, it's been ever so slightly too low, and I've just found out that actually there is a way to adjust it, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So first of all, if you lift the armrest up, you'll see there's a little grommet there that's got to come out. Just literally pop that out with a screwdriver. Done. Now this standard kind of length screwdriver isn't quite long enough, so I've gone for this one. This is 6 inches long, no jokes. And then you pop it down this hole here. You're trying to locate a screw. Now what I found is that you can't actually get the right angle, so then what I did is you just take this little screw out here, and then you can remove the black plastic bit as well. Wiggle wiggle, there you go. Now you can actually get down in here and you'll find, there you go, and then I lie it down and you can see, there you are, that's going up and that's going down, and then obviously put it all back together. There you go guys, I bet you didn't know it was as easy as that. I certainly didn't know, otherwise I would have adjusted it 13 years ago. What I would say is, for the first journey, leave the bung out and maybe leave the plastic bit off and take a screwdriver with you, because once you found out that you can adjust it, you'll wish you made it a tiny bit higher or a tiny bit lower. And yeah, if you have a screwdriver with you, that will just make your life a little bit easier. So there you go guys, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe down below and check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.